Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to enable direct deposit in Wealthfront. If you're new here, Wealthfront is a user-friendly robo-advisor that helps you automate your investments and manage your finances like a pro. Enabling direct deposit means your paycheck can go straight into your Wealthfront account, skipping the hassle of traditional banking delays and paper checks. It's a game changer for building wealth faster, especially if you're aiming for automatic investing or earning bonus interest on your cash balance. First things first, make sure you have your Wealthfront account set up. If you don't, head over to their website or app and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account or Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for something labeled Banking or Direct Deposit. Now, here's where the action happens. You'll need your employer's details and your bank's routing and account numbers handy. Double-check them to avoid any mix-ups. In the direct deposit settings, enter your Wealthfront account information as provided. Wealthfront will give you specific instructions, like generating a voided check or providing routing details directly from their platform. After entering the info, Wealthfront might require verification. This could involve a small test deposit from your bank or confirming through your employer's payroll system. Once verified, you're all set. Your next paycheck could land directly in Wealthfront, ready to be invested or saved. One quick tip: always review your account settings periodically to ensure everything's accurate. The benefits are awesome. Think faster access to your money, automated investing, and potential perks like higher yields on your cash. If you hit any snags, Wealthfront's customer support is top-notch and available via chat or phone. There you have it, folks. Enabling direct deposit in Wealthfront is straightforward and can supercharge your financial routine. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.